In this video, we will bring you a secret weapon that can reduce printing costs. Milky White DTF Powder. We will test the transfer effect of ordinary DTF powder and new Milky White DTF powder under different white inkjet amounts. For DTF printing, white ink plays the role of pattern base and also plays the role of color ink coloring. After melting and drying in the oven, the Milky White DTF powder presents a milky white base color with high white coverage and no bottom penetration. So we can achieve the same transfer effect by reducing the amount of white ink.